Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Alternatively, if you prefer even more straightforward language, how to tell when your trailer truck's fuel system needs servicing. Ignoring your trailer truck's fuel system can turn small issues into expensive breakdowns. A well-maintained system keeps your rig running smoothly and prevents costly downtime. If you notice hard starts, poor mileage, or strange engine noises, it's time to check things out. Here's how to spot the early warnings before they become big problems. Decreased fuel efficiency. If your truck is burning through fuel faster than usual, don't ignore it. A sudden drop in mileage often points to fuel system trouble. When the system isn't delivering fuel properly, your engine works harder, wasting gas and costing you money. Two common culprits behind this issue are clogged fuel injectors and a failing fuel pressure regulator. Clogged fuel injectors. Fuel injectors spray a fine mist of fuel into the engine for smooth combustion. When they get clogged with dirt or debris, that spray turns into a weak dribble. Here's what happens next. Rough idling. The engine may shake or vibrate more than usual at a stop. Misfires. Uneven fuel delivery causes hesitation or sputtering during acceleration. Weak performance. Your truck struggles to maintain power, especially uphill. Regular cleaning or replacement keeps injectors working as they should. If you spot these symptoms, check them before they cause bigger engine problems. Faulty fuel pressure regulator. This part keeps fuel pressure steady for optimal engine performance. When it fails, pressure fluctuates, throwing off the engine's air-fuel mix. You might notice black exhaust smoke. Too much fuel burning at once creates dark, sooty smoke. Engine surging. RPMs jump unpredictably due to inconsistent fuel flow. Hard starts. Low pressure makes it tough to get the engine running smoothly. Ignoring a bad regulator hurts efficiency and can damage other parts. If your truck feels sluggish or burns fuel faster, test the regulator before repair costs pile up. Unusual engine noises. Your truck's engine talks to you, if you know how to listen. Odd sounds aren't just annoying. They're clues. Something's wrong with the fuel system. Knocking or sputtering noises often mean trouble with combustion or fuel delivery. Let's break down what these sounds could be telling you. Knocking sounds. A rhythmic knock, knock, knock from the engine isn't just unsettling. It's a sign fuel isn't burning right. This usually happens when low-quality fuel burns unevenly, causing mini-explosions in the cylinders. Clogged or leaking injectors disrupt the fuel air mix, forcing the engine to work harder. Air in the fuel lines creates pockets that mess with combustion timing. Think of it like a car engine chugging cheap gas. The fix? Start with higher-grade fuel. If the knocking persists, check the injectors and bleed the fuel lines to remove air pockets. Ignoring it can lead to piston damage over time. Sputtering or hesitation. When your truck jerks or stumbles during acceleration, the fuel system might be starving the engine. Common causes. Dirty fuel filters block flow, making the engine gasp for gas. A weak fuel pump can't keep up with demand, causing intermittent power loss. Old fuel lines crack or collapse, restricting fuel delivery. Here's how to test it. Check the fuel filter. Replace it if it's dark or clogged. Listen for a whining fuel pump. It's often louder when struggling. Inspect fuel lines for cracks or soft spots. A sputtering engine isn't just frustrating. It's a safety risk when merging or climbing hills. Address it before you're left crawling in the slow lane. Difficulty starting the engine. When your trailer truck takes longer than usual to start or refuses to start at all, the fuel system is often the culprit. Hard starts happen when fuel flow is restricted or inconsistent. Ignoring this can leave you stranded with a truck that won't budge. Focus on these common fuel-related causes before the problem worsens. Weak or failing fuel pump. A weak fuel pump can't deliver enough pressure to start the engine smoothly. Listen for a high-pitched whine coming from the fuel tank. It's the pump's cry for help. Other red flags include sputtering at high speeds. The engine hesitates or loses power when accelerating. Engine stalling. Sudden shutdowns, especially under load, signal pump failure. Long cranking. The starter turns over longer than normal before ignition. Fuel pumps wear out over time. If yours struggles, replace it before it leaves you stuck on the side of the road. Delaying repairs risks a full breakdown, and a tow bill costs way more than a new pump. That covers the first signs to watch out for. But there's more! Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll break down more red flags and how to fix them before they leave you stranded. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.